Welcome back to Riverside Republic. Well, the big news emerging from Western India is that MNS, the Maharashtra Nirman Sena, led by Raj Thackeray, his party, sources tell us may not be really contesting the 2014 Lok Sabha elections. MNS sources have told NTV that this is a possibility, and this comes short after senior BJP leader Nitin Gadkari met Raj Thackeray yesterday. He came out and spoke openly to the media, saying appeal to Raj Thackeray not to contest. Why? Because MNS is known to be a symbol in a sense to cut the vote of the BJP and the Shiv Sena. But the big question, will Raj Thackeray finally join the alliance of the NDA, that is the BJP and the Shiv Sena? Meanwhile, the Shiv Sena is completely upset and said this could really impact the grand alliance of the NDA.
एनडीएला समर्थन केलं, भाजप आणि शिवसेना दोघांचे जास्त खासदार निवडून काँग्रेस विरोधी मताचा विवाद होणार नाही.
Hunting for an ally, Raj Thackre's Maharashtra Navnirman Sena almost certain to help the NDA. Sources have told NDTV it is highly unlikely they will contest the 2014 Lok Sabha elections. The reason? Because they are well aware at best could only win 1 or 2 seats and will end up playing spoiler only to help the Congress NCP combine, and therefore the larger interest and focus the 2014 Maharashtra state elections. In 2009, the Congress swept 5 out of 6 seats in Mumbai, largely because the MNS ate Sena's vote bank. But the BJP now hopeful if the MNS stays out, they could increase their tally by at least 10 seats. But the Nitin Gadkari Thackeray meeting upsetting their ally Shiv Sena.
हम उनके खिलाफ मुंह खोल के आज काम कर रहे हैं बीजेपी, और कोई बीजेपी नेता इस प्रकार से शरद पवार जी और नितिन राज ठाकरे से बात करेंगे खुलेआम और उनका समर्थन करेंगे, तो उसमें हमारा अलायंस है उसमें असर हो सकता है.
Though not an ally, will the MNS anti-North Indian politics hurt Narendra Modi in UP and
राज ठाकरे कई बार बिहार के जो प्रवासी भारतीय हैं उनका अपमान कर चुके हैं. अगर ये अलायंस शिवसेना का और बीजेपी होता है तो जनता दल यू इसका बिहार में बहुत जोर से विरोध करेगा.
Raj still needs to convince his cadre, which is eager to contest. But what's unclear is what Raj gets in return. If it's presence in the state, the BJP will first have to broker peace between the two reasons. In Mumbai, Prasad Kathe, Tejas Mehta for NDTV. Well, joining us to debate all of this, we have Shaina NC for the BJP and we also have Malik NCP. Shaina, this is like a big coup for the BJP, because if MNS becomes a silent ally of the NDA by not contesting, then the BJP and the Shiv Sena could gain of the BJP and the Shiv Sena is not really divided.
Tejas, this almost sounds like a TV serial which is manufactured by the media. Please understand that the BJP official stand has been spelled out that our alliance is with the Shiv Sena and the RPI. We're going to elections with them. I'm not the spokesperson of MNS, so I cannot take a stand for them. All I can say on behalf of my party is there's been so much speculation since morning. Please understand our only intent is to and defeat the Congress NCP, and that is all.
MNS sources have been telling us they will not be contesting because for various other reasons, but one of the reasons, of course, being that they want to focus on 2000 state elections.
As I said, I'm the spokesperson of the MNS, so you're better off asking them that. As far as the party goes, please do not lead into speculation. Our senior leadership will ask if there was anything, and clearly our stand is very clear that our alliance is with the Shiv Sena and the RPI.
Okay. Now, Malik, tell us, because at the end of this is going to impact in 2009. Many of the seats you won both in Lok Sabha and state elections was because the MNS played spoil for the NDA. How scared are you of this new alliance in courts, of course, not yet formed, but this new alliance being formed with the MNS, possibly joining the NDA?
It doesn't matter to us whether MNS, Shiv Sena, BJP going together or they are going alone. It's a matter of their concern. They have to decide what they do want to do. But people must know when there is a
they have been eating into the BJP and the Shiv Sena's vote, and that's the reason why the Congress BJP has been winning.
No, listen, Tejas. All the voter who has voted for MNS, they were anti-Shiv Sena voters. In 1998, there was a government in the state, Bharatiya Janata Party government. They were all together. We had defeated them and we got 38 out of 48. This time also they are going to get a huge number in the state. Whether they are going together, alone, what, they have to decide. But here people are with us. No, there cannot be a regional sentiment, there cannot be religious sentiment. People are going to vote for development, nothing
Which
for us.
people are with the NCP and which people are left with the Congress? The biggest corruption scam in this country have been seen in the state of Maharashtra, and our only endeavour is to unseat and defeat the Congress NCP combined, which is something that we're going to do based on our credentials, based on our prime minister candidate,
don't
and
misguide
based
the
on
country and the
it's a
state.
mandate
No
on
kind,
leadership
any
and a
kind of
mandate on
scam in the
stability.
state. You have alleged that there is an inquiry going on. Let the report submitted before the public. Don't allege. The most corrupt party is Bharatiya Janata Party. Late Bangaru was there.
Right.
Europe
Mr.
was
Malik,
there
just
with you.
10 seconds.
You are
Mr. Malik,
just relying
last
on the
quick
all
response.
corrupt
You should
practices.
care.
All corrupt people are there.
Mr. Malik, Mr. Malik, very quick response, and I end the show with this because this is really crucial. If MNS joins hands with BJP or the Shiv Sena, this could really, be perilous in the fact that those votes will go to the Shiv Sena and the BJP and not to the NCP and Congress.
It is doesn't matter whether they go together or they are going alone. It's a matter of their concern. Shiv Sena, BJP, MNS, they cannot win election in 2014 Lok Sabha. We are going to get out of 48, 38 seats in the Maharashtra.
Of course, both parties are very confident that
Challenge that kind of prediction. It is a clear mandate. It's a mandate on leadership, a mandate on
okay.
stability, and a mandate on progress.
Sena in
Okay, we'll wait and watch what
1998.
Right, Mr. Mr. Malik, we'll have to end the show on this note. We'll have to wait and watch what really happens because both the NCP and Congress and the Shiv and the BJP claiming they'll of course be winning, but where does the MNS vote really shift to which party it go with, to which alliance it go? We'll have to wait and watch. And does the MNS finally the NDA? We'll have to wait and watch. That's all we have on Roadside Republic. Thank you and goodbye.